Hi, this is Marcella from London, and I've attended Speakers and Leaders in July 2017. Now it's December, and I can say wonderful things have happened into my professional life and also the personal life, because the confidence you gain by public speaking is amazing. And so what happened is, now I am in a job where I work less because it's a part-time, and I earn more than what I did in a full-time job, because now I can train the staff and I can deliver powerful presentations in front of C-levels or anybody. And also I'm discussing terms with our training company here in UK, and I'm Italian, and the confidence that a foreigner can have in doing these things in a foreign company is not so easy to gain. And this was thanks to Speakers and Leaders again. And also now I know how to shoot videos, and I use them to warm up my clients and prospects, because I put them on LinkedIn and YouTube. And so what happens is that when I call, they know me already, so cold calling is not cold calling anymore. I urge anybody that want to step up to a leading position to attend Speakers and Leaders, because it's a massive value to your anything you want to do in the future. Thank you. Bye.